Hi Cancer, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies towards your person. That means your feelings towards your person and the relationship, and their feelings towards you and this relationship as well. We are also going to check out what are the obstacles between this relationship, your next steps and your person's next step, plus the probable outcome of the situation. All right, so let's get started with your reading. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. You do not have to imply if something is not resonating with you. Please do not try to imply everything on you. All right, and you can, if you're whatever sign you are watching, if you are not able to resonate with that, you can check your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs as well in my other reads. Okay, so let's get started with your reading. For my Cancers, what is going on with my Cancers, please? Cancer energies, strong Cancer energies, please. Cancer and the person. Okay, so and if you want to book a tarot appointment with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there. All right. Wow. Okay. Wow. Very interesting. Okay, so your energies, your feelings towards this person is the Eight of Swords energy. Let me clarify why the Eight of Swords is here in my Gemini's energy. Three of Wands. Okay, so I think you are still waiting for a proper offer from them, because they might have just taken you for granted. I feel that somehow, you know, your feelings, it's like it was never a proper communication. They have always kept you somewhere, like whenever they need you, they come to you. Whenever they want some love, whenever they want some motivation, they are coming towards you. But it's like they are never for you when you always needed them. The High Priestess, it's the second lady energy from the deck. The High Priestess and the Empress is also here in your part. It is like that. They are like you know, just keeping you there, but not giving everything what a person, when it comes to a relationship, it comes like that. All right, we will clarify more. That is what is coming up in my energies today. What do you think about the relationship? I think you have started even thinking about the negatives more about the relationship than the positive, because there's nothing left. You feel that there's nothing left in this relationship. It's like always their needs and their wants, and what about you? Your wants and your needs, they are not able to take them, and that is what is coming up. Let me check. Ten of Swords. See, I think you are feeling that you have been betrayed by this person. They are moving away from you, but still they are just connecting with you when they need you. Strong, those energies are coming today in which you are the one who is taken for granted. Okay, their energies, their feelings towards you is the Ten of Pentacles. I feel that this is not your energy more. I feel that, let me clarify, Two of Wands and the Death. See, so clarification energies are the Two of Wands and the Death. So I feel that they might be married to someone else, or they are in a strong commitment with someone else. So that is what they are trying to end. So they have two things, they have two ways to go, and they have to choose one out of you both, and they are not ready to end that relationship with whosoever they have, and they are just coming towards you for that strong attraction towards you, strong addiction towards you. That is all they are coming towards you. Their energies towards the relationship is the Seven of Swords. They're already strong cheating energies coming up. It's like they are playing some games, mind games. You know, it's like your personal freedom is lost because of them, because of their acts. They are showing something else, they are doing something else, they are playing with you. They are really strong cheating energies. The Star, and what else? Yes, Ace of Cups. So whatever they are trying to show you that they love you. They are trying to build up, they're just saying everything. When it comes to doing, you are not able to see anything, any actions. No actions from their side. They're just saying that I love you and I really miss you, but I cannot be with you. Why not? You cannot be with my Cancer. Why? Because they are just saying. Okay, sorry cross watchers if you are watching this. All right, so let's see the Empress. Why the Empress energy is here in the obstacle. The Empress clarified by Empress. Yeah, and Five of Pentacles. It feels like they have started moving away in another direction. They have started just going away from you, no contact. They have started keeping ignoring you. They have started that ignorance and they are moving away from you, and that is what, with the strong King of Swords energy, they are also trying to just be bitter when it comes to you. Whenever they feel angry, they just put everything on you. They tell that you are the one because of whom things are messed up in my life. They are playing the blame game over you, and that is why they are not contacting you. Less contact. Why the obstacle is coming up as the King of Cups in their energy? The obstacles in their side. Why the King of Cups is here? The Chariot. Okay, so they might be moving on. They might be they have a lot of things in their mind. It's not only you. I think it's like they are blaming you, that you are the one because of everything, the bad things that are happening to them, because they are not finding anything good in this situation anymore. They do not want to invest any energies on this because they are investing in something else in their life. So that is why this is coming up. Okay. Why the Devil is there in your actions towards this relationship? Why the Devil is here? Why the Devil is here? Actions of my Cancer towards this relationship. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, I think you are really going to take a strong step towards this relationship. The strong Devil energies with the Four of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune, because you are seeing you are not going to accept their offer anymore. You are not going to accept whatever they are not. There's no free will of yours anymore, and that is why it's like it's feeling like you are in a cage or something. You are really not free. They are hampering your freedom, and this is why you are. It's like your actions are not going to act according to them anymore. King of Rods. Why the King of Rods is here in their energies with the Knight of Cups? I think that whenever you feel like this, whenever you start behaving that I am not going to start this relationship, I'm not going to be in this relationship anymore, you really make me feel sick, you really make me feel that I am the one who is taken for granted, then they become very sweet towards you. That no, I really love you, Cancer. I cannot be with you. I cannot be away from you. When you tell them that, when you criticize the situation, like I am not going to be here, you are making me feel like this. When you criticize, then because they are unable to listen to their criticism, and that is why they become really angry at that time, and that is the time when things become really bad, and it's really hard that they are not going to let you go as well, because they are really taking you for granted. Plus it's like you have to be there. I am involved with some other things in my life, I have someone else also in my life, but you have to be there. That is why they are very bad things, very bad vibe from this person is coming up for my Cancers. Very bad. Why the Ace of Cups is here in the overall probable outcome? Ace of Cups with the Four of Pentacles, the Five of Swords. Okay, so I feel that They will again offer you that strong emotional cup, that emotions that I really love you, Cancer, I really cannot be with you at this time, but I am always there for you whenever you need me. But you're not going to come up, you are not going to enter or just absorb their lies now anymore. You are trying to understand that this person is lying and this person is not going to be there forever. I know that. So now you are not going to digest the lies which they are telling to you. All right, so that is for all from my side, my dear Cancers. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.